on, Bubbles. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Are you excited to be outside? You hear those bugs? Yeah, they're cicadas. Cicadas? I call them heat bugs. They come out when it's hot. Bubbles! What are you doing? You having a good time? Yep, you're just getting the Avery to yourself right now. He gets very excited when he's outside. And he talks. I don't know what he's saying right now. Bubbles, come! Bubbles! Come! Here! Come on, up here! Come on! Come on! Bubbles! Hi! Vicky just said, come here. What are you doing? Bubbles! Bubbles! Cookie! 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 He sings the cookie song. Cookie! Cookie! What are you doing? Hmm? No cookie song? Bubbles! Those bugs are loud. Bubbles, come! Come on, it's fly. There you are. Yeah? Cookie, cookie. No cookie song today? Hmm? You having fun? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come on, baby. Good boy. Do you want somebody in here with you? Nah. He wants it all to himself. What's he saying? What? What? Did you say something? Who do you want with you? Were you trying to tell me something? Who do you want with you? Who is your friend anyways? Who? I think he said someone's name. I don't know, he doesn't really hang out with just one bird. He hangs out with everybody. Right? You're hanging with everybody. What's he saying? He's saying someone's name. Bubbles! Who's your friend? You want me to bring your friend out here? Hmm? I don't know who your friend is. Which one? He likes Glitter, I think. But Glitter doesn't really care for him. Right? Who? Hmm? You want Sprinkles? You like Sprinkles? Well, what? Sprinkles is a lovebird, but I don't know, he gets along with everybody. He just doesn't really hang around with like one specific bird. Alright? You just like everybody, don't you? You're not an issue at all. You're such a good birdie. Yes, you are, you good birdie. You're a good birdie. Hmm? Just saw some pigeons fly away. Hmm? What am I doing? What are you doing, honey? I'm just filming you. Cookie, 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 cookie. He's so cute when he sings that song. Cookie, 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 cookie. Ready? I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle, pickle, pickle. Ready? Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? Which one you want to sing? I'm a green. What about Cookie? Cookie. That was so cute. He sung 2 songs, yes. He talks. He says a lot of words. He calls my dogs names. He asks me what I'm doing. He plays peekaboo. He sings Cookie, Cookie, and I'm a green pickle. He whistles our favorite tune. There he goes. Look at this. Watch. Let's see if he does it. Bubbles, come. When he's on my finger, he sings it. Up. No. We whistle a little song, and he goes back and forth, and he has a blast. Up. No. He's like, no, you're going to trick me and put me in the house. Okay, you stay there, Bubbles. Okay, enjoy your time. Enjoy. I'm going to go relax for now. Okay? I'm going to go sit down for maybe, 10 minutes? Yeah, then I got to do work. Okay, you can listen to the bugs and the birds.